But the long-pending probe involving India's largest stock exchange, that's the National Stock Exchange, will also soon be concluding with the market regulator Sebi all set to slap a show-cause notice in this particular case. Vijay Ganeshan Iyer is getting us these exclusive details. Vijay, the Sebi chairman recently said that the ED, or rather the enforcement action, will be taken in the company location issue. Will the show-cause notice be issued this week itself?
We understand that market regulator Sebi is all set to issue the show-cause notice to NSE, individual employees involved during the investigation, and of course the 20-odd brokers who were part of the investigation. Ajay Tyagi, Sebi chairman, is on record saying that Sebi would soon begin the enforcement action. Now what we understand, after the completion of internal investigations, these show-cause notices involving NSE and other stakeholders will be issued very soon. Clearly, NSE somewhere has been found to derelict from its duty. Stock exchanges at the end of the day are the first line of regulators. So indeed, some of the employees indeed connived with the brokers to ensure they are able to set up the co-location facility and thereby have that advantage of placing trade when it comes to the whole of derivatives. And also there are indications that, of course, Sebi would not like NSE to fail because it's one of the largest stock exchange. So the institution has to be protected. So it would be primarily a penal action on NSE, and what we gather is that clearly Sebi wants to send out a strong signal when it comes to this controversy, because they want to ensure that no dereliction or any such activities, particularly in the exchanges, will be tolerated by the regulator. Of course, NSE, we all know, under new MD and CEO Vikram Limai, always wanted to put an end to all this legacy controversy surrounding NSE. So indeed, now NSE, once they issue get the show cause notice, will have the option of opting for a consent mechanism and settling this case. So in the coming couple of days, we would expect this show cause notice to go to Sebi. But indeed, it would be interesting because this is one of the most sought and one of the most looked after investigation by Sebi in the recent past, and one hopes the co-location controversy surrounding India's largest stock exchange will be put to an end and concluded very soon.
A rather high-profile investigation indeed by Sebi with regards to National Stock Exchange.